Hi, I'm Maile Collmer, and welcome to Maile's Referral Intelligence. I help people build their business through relationships and referrals. And today I want to talk about just a little bit about why referrals can really change a salesperson or business owner's life. I was looking on the internet recently at some amazing statistics about cold calling. Now, when I got into business in my early 20s, I was doing a lot of sales as well, and I learned lots of cold calling. And the first thing that we do is we go through our warm market. And when I was in my early 20s, so were my friends, and I was trying to sell houses. None of them had houses to sell, and few were even buying some. So I went through my warm market fairly quickly and had to actually go out and meet people who I didn't know. And cold calling is a tried and true way of generating new business, but it's getting harder and harder. Today, it's less than 2% of cold calls actually lead to an appointment. And then it takes 17 to 20 of those cold lead appointments to actually get a client. And oftentimes it's actually 80% of those leads actually don't buy until after 5 follow-ups, and less than 8% of salespeople actually make 5 follow-ups. So not only do we have to contact so many more people to actually get those appointments, we have to have so many more appointments to actually get a client, and we have to do a ton of work chasing that business. So instead of having to chase that business, what if instead that business was coming to us? And that's exactly what we do in referral marketing. It's all about building relationships. And the key to that is building those strategic relationships with people in our contact sphere. So a lot of people go out there to network, but they're still direct prospecting. That's not what we're supposed to be doing. We're supposed to be building relationships with complementary businesses so we can refer each other, our clients, and help our clients by the resources we have in those other businesses that we know. So a main principle of this is to build those relationships. You want lots of people that you know, so you want to have lots of different people you know, and you want deep, well-built relationships, those people that you know personally and professionally, so you can really give those high trust referrals. So if you're new to building business through referrals, a referral marketing plan isn't just asking for business from clients or asking for referrals from clients. It's about actually building a profitable network of people who are also in business, also talking to a lot of people every day to sell their products and services to, so you can collaborate and connect and help each other by giving referrals back and forth. So stay tuned for more tips on how to build a business through relationships and referrals, so you can have more time off to be with the people you enjoy being with and enjoy your business and your life while you live it. I'm Maile Collmer, and that's a tip from Maile's Referral Intelligence.